Are you lying in bed at night thinking, am I behind in life financially? You see people your age online buying cars, traveling, even talking about investing, and you're just trying to make your money last till the end of the month. It feels like everyone has it figured out, except you. But here's the truth no one tells you. Most people are just guessing. Today, I'm going to show you what people are actually saving at different ages, and trust me, it's very different from what you think. Some of this will surprise you. Some of it might even make you feel better. And some of it might push you to take action. Before we start, think about this. When you imagine someone your age, do you think they're building wealth step by step? Or just surviving, hoping things work out? Because reality is simple. Most people don't know what normal looks like. And that's dangerous. Because if you don't know where you stand, you can't move forward. Now here's where it gets interesting. You've probably heard rules like, save 1x your salary by 30, 3x by 40. Sounds clean and easy, right? But life doesn't work like that. Those rules assume everything goes perfectly. No job loss, no emergencies, no pressure from family, no bad decisions. But real life? It's messy. Let's start with your 20s. This is the phase where you're learning, struggling, and trying to stand on your own feet. You don't earn much. Expenses feel high, and saving feels almost impossible. But here's the key. Even small savings matter. Because time is more powerful than money. Saving a little early beats saving a lot later. Most people in their 20s don't have huge savings. But the ones who start, even small, are already ahead. Now your 30s. This is where pressure hits. House, family, responsibilities. Income increases, but so do expenses. You feel like you should be doing better, but everything costs more. This is where many people feel stuck. Not because they're failing, but because life gets heavier. The smart ones, they stay consistent, even if it's not perfect. Then comes your 40s. This is when reality hits hard. You start thinking, is this enough? Retirement doesn't feel far anymore. And this is where people either wake up or fall behind. The biggest difference? Not income. It's awareness. People who pay attention adjust. People who ignore regret. Now your 50s and 60s. This is where results show. Some people feel secure. Others feel stressed. And the difference isn't luck. It's years of small decisions. Here's the truth that might shock you. Many people don't hit those perfect saving targets. In fact, a lot of people have way less than you expect. But that doesn't mean you're doomed. Because this isn't about being perfect. It's about being aware and improving. You don't need to catch up overnight. You just need to start moving. Because at the end of the day, wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about feeling safe. And that starts with one simple step. Being honest about where you are and deciding to do better from today.